You don't need a viral channel or a silver play button to make $10,000 per month from YouTube. Here's why and how to go about it. How do small channels make big money online? I mean, channels that have fewer than 1,000 subscribers. They don't have even enough to enter into YouTube monetization program. So what do they do differently? They emphasize views from search, YouTube search, Google search, and suggested videos. They don't rely on YouTube monetization. They do things like affiliate marketing. They do things like their own program, done for you program. They do things like B2B lead generation. And when they are doing these things, they do them in high ticket niches. There are niches where one sale will give you a commission of $1,000. And in fact, in some niches, there is a niche, let me just give you the name, CRM. There is a product that when the person buys the premium, or when the company buys the premium product, they pay you $1,000 per month, every month for 12 months. And because of the nature of the product, companies who buy it or businesses who buy it are not buying it to stop using it in 3 months' time, because it becomes tied, it becomes part of their system. Now imagine if you have a channel where one person who buys through you will give you $1,000 per month for 12 months. Now, what do you need to get 10 people to buy that product if you are giving them high value content and if you know what you're doing? These small YouTube channels, they go about things in a very different way. And if you want to begin to see such breakthrough and make such good money, here are the things you need to do, and do it in this order. Pick a focused niche, a high ticket niche. Preferably pick an obscure high ticket B2B niche. Obscure in the sense that it is not the kind of niche you hear everyone talking about. Weight loss, fitness, relationship, It's not the kind of niche most people talk about. There are niches that if you go for 20 affiliate seminars, you will likely never hear anybody mention them. For example, like something like virtual CFO. But do you know that niche pays you about $400 per lead, not sale. You only need to get qualified people, qualified businesses who will fill out a form. Once those qualified businesses fill out a form, the company will pay you $400 for that qualified business filling out a form. They have not even bought. But you don't hear it all the time. Niches like third-party logistics. The point I'm making is that you don't need high-sounding, popular, trending stuff. You need things that are in spaces where people have serious problems, that are expensive problems, and that these people have the money to pay. B2B is business to business. Businesses are about one thing, making profit. So anything that stands between them and making profit, they will deal with it. If you sell a business in the US, a tool that will help them manage all their customers effectively and efficiently and improve their results, paying $4,000 a month for such a software as a service tool is not a big deal for a business. And now, if you get such a business to buy through your link, you get $1,000 every month for 12 months. It is not weight loss. It's not popular. And you see, the other thing is that you don't run into problems with Google in these niches. because they are not what we call your money or your life niches, like things like medical stuff, like payday loans and things like that. So that's why you should go for a high ticket B2B niche, obscure preferably. Number two, make content for a filtered audience. Even when you have picked a niche, don't try to serve everybody. Be clear so that your message is focused. Filtered audience. Who am I targeting here? I am targeting business owners who have a problem with customer relationship management. Or I am targeting people, businesses who have a problem with financial advice or their financial structure, but they don't have enough money yet to employ a chief financial officer. Be clear. And every piece of content you create must be targeted at such people. And along that line, make sure that you focus on high intent content. That is content that is for people who are high intent buyers. These people are very likely to make a purchase. You don't want to create content that will get you plenty views, but from all sorts of tire kickers, people who are not interested in the real solutions you are proffering. So you go for high intent keywords. You look at them. People who are searching for this have a pain point that my solution will solve. So let me create a video that walks them through the process that solves this problem. But by the way, they see they need this too to solve this problem. So when you do that, you will create quality content, and most of them will be evergreen. You're not going for trends or things like that. So how do you find these high intent buyers? How do you know the right keywords to target? Use tools. For example, now there are tools like Ahrefs, SEMrush, Keywords Everywhere. Keywords Everywhere is cheap if you don't have much money. You can just buy it and install it on your browser. When you're searching on Google, it will be giving you related suggested stuff, and you can even download. You can click for it to search and get you about 1,000 that you download. So when you get these tools, you use them for research, and you begin to go through the keywords one by one and see the intent. Let me give you an example. How to stop losing my customers. Somebody searches that. By that search phrase, how to stop losing my customers. You know this person already has a problem. He's losing his customers. The next question is, why do people lose their customers? It's either they don't have a good product, or they don't have a good support structure, or they don't have a good follow-up system. How can your CRM solve these problems for them? You can blend it in. Somebody searches, how can I improve the lifetime value, or how can I increase the lifetime value of each client I get? The search phrases are already telling you that these people need a solution. So those are the kind of keywords you go for, but you need tools to help you find it. So if you are building a website, Ahrefs, SEMrush, Keywords Everywhere will work well for you to see. They will give you the search volume. They will give you the competition, and then you can gauge this and look and then know whether you can win this. If you are doing YouTube videos, you can use vidIQ or TubeBuddy. But in my own case, I combine the two of them in a special way. Just check through and pick the ones that resonate with you and go through it. Create content on them. Make sure they are what? High intent. These tools will help you find hidden keywords. And as you click through them, you take your time. This is not a place you rush. That's what this channel is. You can spend a lot of time doing and fishing out those keywords. Because if you get, let's say, 50 keywords, and you begin to build out videos on them, These videos will get you traffic, and it will attract, because you are focusing on them coming in through search, they'll be attracting people who are your core audience. So if you just get 1,000 people, real viewers, visits, your watch time will be high, because these are people who are really looking for a solution. I'm assuming you have created high value content for them. Your watch time will be high, which will trigger YouTube to even show and recommend this video to more people, and will get you good results. But even with just 1,000 real viewers, you make a lot of money and you can grow to great levels. But you need these tools. Like I said, you must create high value content. You must solve people's problems. You're not just going to be creating videos that talk about them buy. You must give them solutions. Walk them from point A to point B. They must experience transformation watching your video, or they should see how their problems are solved clearly in your video. And then the tool or service you recommend is a by the way that helps them achieve it. Not that you're just pitching them. This overview I've given you is what channels, small channels with less than 1,000 subscribers are doing to make $10,000 per month and more. You might be looking at someone and say, this people serious. This one doesn't even have, this video is not even getting plenty views. But you don't know this person is not getting plenty views, but is making plenty money. There is a right and wrong way to go about this, from niche selection to keyword research to crafting your video. Every step of the process, there is a right and wrong way to do it. If you do it the wrong way, you won't get the results. For example, if you pick the wrong niche, you can create as many videos as you want. You won't get the results. If you don't set things up correctly, you won't get the results. And that's why you need somebody who knows the way, a mentor who will guide you every step of the way. Do this. No, don't do that. Do it like this. And that's why we have a mentorship program where we can take you by the hand from where you are, even if you are at zero level. We'll take you from where you are and guide you. We will not do the work for you. We will show you what to do and what you do them. As you do them, we promise that within 24 months, you will hit $10,000 per month. Think about how that will change your life for the best. Think about how it will transform your family. Think about what it will do for you. If you are interested in joining our mentorship program, click the link in the pinned comment or description below. The title is $10K in 24. But what if you don't have the time or the inclination to go through 24 months of mentorship, but you still want to have a business? You want to build a business that gives you freedom, that earns you a lot of money. In fact, you want somebody else to build it for you while you reap the benefits. Or you want to be a part of a business that is built by another, but you are kind of a big shareholder in it, an online business. Click the second link. It is for our Done For You program. The title is DFY-Passive Income Digital Assets, PIDA. Click the link under it. Whether you want to join our mentorship or our Done For You program, click the respective link, either the one for the mentorship or the one for the Done For You program. And it will take you to a page where we'll ask you for your phone number, email address, and name. When you provide those details and click submit, we will send you an automated mail. You will get it within 5 minutes. You are supposed to go into that email that you provided and click that, open that email and click the link within it to confirm that email. Once you confirm, you will get another link in another email within 5 minutes, asking you, giving you a link to an application form and another link to our overview document. If you signed up for a mentorship program, you will get an overview document for the mentorship. If you sign up for the Done For You, you will get an overview document for the Done For You. Click the two links. Now, one of the other links will take you to an application form. You will fill it out. We want to know if you are the right fit for us and if we can serve you. So when you fill it out, our system will automatically determine whether you arrive it or not. Check your email again within another 5 minutes. You will get an email from us telling you the next step to take. If you are qualified, you will get a link to a place where you will book a call. You choose the times available, your most convenient time. When you choose it, and once you choose that time, our system will automatically send you my personal phone number. It is not for you to call me, it is for you to save it so that when I call you at that time you picked, you will know it's not a random stranger, but a call you booked and requested. When we talk, you can ask me all the questions you want, and then we can give you a link to pay, or you can take it to the next level. Anyhow you want it, we'll be there for you. The ball is now squarely in your court. You can transform your life. Imagine what $10,000 per month would do for you. And imagine that you can be earning that amount within the next 24 months. Yes, it might look like a long time, but I bet you it's not long. 16 million naira a month. Think about the things you can do for your loved ones, for your parents, for your community, the transformation it will bring about in your life. The ball is squarely in your court. Thanks for watching this video. God bless you and have a great life.